Dietary protein and the kidney diet. For individuals with chronic kidney disease or CKD, dietary protein plays a crucial role in maintaining health, but it also must be carefully managed due to the kidney's reduced ability to filter waste. While nutrition is key to overall well-being, those with CKD need to monitor their protein intake closely to avoid further strain on the kidneys. Fortunately, CKD patients can still enjoy nutritious and flavorful meals by selecting the right types of protein and understanding proper portion sizes. By following simple guidelines, they can make informed, healthy food choices without compromising taste. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of renaldiethq.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit renaldiethq.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Is too much protein bad for your kidneys? Monitoring protein intake is crucial for people with chronic kidney disease or CKD to avoid overburdening your kidneys. Excess protein can strain the kidneys by increasing the amount of waste they need to filter, potentially worsening kidney function over time. A low protein diet, typically around 0.6 to 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight for non-dialysis patients, helps slow CKD progression. However, those on dialysis may require more protein, 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram, due to protein losses during treatment. Individualized meal plans created in consultation with a dietitian are key to managing CKD while maintaining proper nutrition. Advantages of a low-protein diet in pre-dialysis stages of CKD. A low-protein diet is essential for managing kidney disease as it reduces the strain on the kidneys by minimizing the production of waste products from protein breakdown. This type of diet helps maintain kidney function, lowers cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and reduces the risk of heart disease or stroke. Key strategies include increasing the intake of low potassium fruits and vegetables, incorporating whole grains and healthy fats, experimenting with plant-based proteins, avoiding processed foods, and considering low-protein shakes. By focusing on non-protein foods, people with kidney disease can improve their health while still enjoying flavorful, nutritious meals. What are the sources and types of protein? For pre-dialysis kidney disease patients, a low-protein diet is crucial to reduce the strain on the weakened kidneys by limiting excess protein that can lead to kidney damage by increasing waste. Proteins are essential for growth, repair, and energy, but patients with CKD need to choose kidney-friendly proteins like fish, lean meats, eggs, nuts, seeds, and plant-based protein options like tofu. New protein sources such as Cornish hens, lamb, ground buffalo, and heritage turkeys offer variety while supporting kidney health. Portion control and mindful protein intake are key to managing and maintaining balance and maintaining CKD effectively, preventing complications. Assessing the level of protein intake. For people with chronic kidney disease, managing protein intake is essential to protect kidney function. A balanced diet should include 10 to 20% of calories from protein, with a focus on limiting animal proteins like red meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy, while incorporating plant proteins like legumes that offer essential amino acids. Moderation is key, as too much animal protein can damage kidneys, while too little protein can lead to muscle wasting and fatigue. For advanced CKD patients not on dialysis, again, 0.6 to 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight of protein daily is recommended to ensure proper nutrition without overburdening the kidneys. Monitoring food choices is vital for managing CKD effectively. Food restrictions in chronic kidney disease. Managing dietary protein is essential for individuals with CKD, as both too much and too little can negatively impact your health. People with CKD are encouraged to follow personalized protein recommendations to protect their kidneys from further damage. High protein foods like red meat, organ meats, processed meats, fish, and shellfish may be limited based on disease severity. Plant-based proteins such as legumes, nuts, and seeds are often easier on the kidneys and provide essential amino acids while reducing strain caused by excess nitrogenous waste from animal proteins. Nutritional considerations for dialysis patients. Monitoring CKD requires careful attention to sodium, potassium, and phosphorus intake, especially for those undergoing dialysis. High sodium can strain weakened kidneys, so avoiding processed meats, canned goods, and salty condiments is key. Potassium-rich foods like bananas and oranges should be limited, particularly for patients on dialysis. Dialysis patients also need to control phosphorus intake, avoiding dairy, legumes, and processed foods high in phosphorus. Protein needs increase during dialysis, with a focus on lean sources like fish, lean meats, and eggs, while avoiding processed proteins that can have too much salt. Working with the healthcare team ensures balanced nutrition and effective CKD management. The role of proteins in maintaining your health. Proteins are vital for maintaining overall health, serving key roles in energy production, tissue repair, immune function, and wound healing. They act as building blocks for muscles, bones, and connective tissues, while also producing enzymes that regulate metabolic processes. Proteins contribute to clotting factors, albumin production, and gene expression, ensuring proper cellular function. However, too much protein can strain the kidneys, potentially worsening or leading to kidney disease, while too little can lead to deficiencies. For CKD patients, balancing protein intake under the guidance of a healthcare professional is essential for optimal health management. The impact of high levels of protein on kidney disease. Excessive protein intake can accelerate the progression of CKD by increasing urea and nitrogen levels and decreasing your GFR, which puts additional strain on the kidneys. This can lead to further kidney damage, especially in people with stage 3 or stage 4 CKD, where a low protein diet is often recommended. To manage protein levels and reduce the risks, it's essential to focus on good quality sources, such as lean meats, plant-based proteins, legumes, nuts, and dairy. Always consult a healthcare professional to ensure your diet supports kidney health and slows your disease progression. Understanding portion sizes for protein. For people with CKD, understanding appropriate portion sizes for protein is crucial to maintaining health. Fish, poultry, and lean cuts of red meat are recommended due to their high-quality protein content and lower levels of phosphorus and potassium. A renal dietitian can help determine an individual's daily protein needs based on body size, activity level, and calorie requirements. Typically, CKD patients are advised to consume about 3 ounces of cooked lean meat per meal, but this may vary. Incorporating healthy fats like olive oil or avocados is also beneficial. Monitoring protein intake is essential, as too much can cause waste buildup, while too little may lead to insufficient energy and hormones and all the other things that they do. Smaller, more frequent meals can help manage dietary needs effectively. Protein portion control. Following a low protein diet can slow the progression of kidney disease. While this type of diet may be necessary for those with CKD, it's important to pay attention to your body, ensure that you're getting the right amount of protein. It's also important to look into plant-based sources of protein so you can get all the nutrients you need while adhering to the restrictions imposed by a kidney diet. Above all else, watch the amount of sodium and potentially potassium and phosphorus if you need to control them in other minerals in the foods, which could aggravate existing conditions or create new ones. Like most things in life, keeping a healthy balance is key when it comes to dietary proteins and the kidney diet. Not too much and not too little, but just enough for optimal health.